You guys, say hi. He's over there. I'm being so type B today. It's not even funny. I have so much to do, including filming this YouTube video for you guys because I'm heading to London in England in 5 hours. Well, my flight's in like 7.5 hours. But I gotta get to the airport and everything. So in light of that, I got a new Fashion Nova haul and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got and let you know what I'll be bringing on my trip and what's going to stay here, and you'll see it a later date. I am really excited though. Say hi to my ring light. Okay. I am really excited to get a lot of content in London though, so if you guys are interested in seeing what I am bringing and shooting, my Instagram is Kendra Rowe and my Snapchat is K3_Rowe. Super active on there. There's our haul. Let's get into it. This outlet actually blew up on me the other day and I had to have it replaced. Let's see if it works. Oh, we are so back. I just made pasta mid-filming. But these jeans, they're adorable, but they are a true size 3. So before I eat the pasta, I'm gonna show you guys the jeans. Okay, these are the Charmed, I'm sure, printed wide leg jeans, and they're so fun. Okay, so they have these like designs like on them. So like you've got like a bow, chains, cross, a heart, more chains, and so much more in the back. There's even a teddy bear. I'm gonna put them on for you guys and pair them with this tank, like a tank top that I got. It is so cute. Okay, so I've paired the jeans with this top. This is the Millie lace trim tank top. Super cute. I love the little like lace detailing that we have going on here. Really nice material, super comfy. And then these are the jeans. Aren't they so fun and like so cool? Big vibes. Yeah, I think the jeans are so fun. They're really comfy, like they're really soft. They're just not that giving in the waist, so. Really cute though. Okay, this next one's sexy and definitely very much my vibe. This is the all tied up, lace up, faux leather halter top, I believe. Just gonna kind of let her speak for herself. I think she's definitely coming to London. She is a little forgiving. She's a little hard to get on. That's just because I didn't undo like the front at all. But we have some really cute details on her. I've identified this corset as a female, but she's popping off, so we love her. Halter style, super cute and like really flattering, super nice on your waist. Yeah, really cute. I love it with like these jeans as well. I think this is such like an edgy kind of fun look. Maybe the whole outfit's coming to London. I don't know. Okay, next I thought this was really just like wholesome and cute. This is the Set the Bar mini short dress. I think I said that name wrong. Set the Bar mini dress in black and white. So we've got this like really cute little bow up here. This is what it looks like full, so it like ruffles out right here. So it sits like right here on me. I don't know why my voice cracked. Me. But it feels just really like wholesome and cute, so. Okay, big vibe switch here. So I put this tank back on to show you guys this skirt. I'm not sure what I want to do with this skirt yet, but I love like a lace maxi skirt. I feel like this is so cute. I don't have anything in my closet like it. Obviously this one's like a little see-through, I know, but I feel like there's like so many ways I could like style this like under a dress or something. So I picked this up, just thought it would be like really cute. So here's what it looks like. And then this is the Confessions lace maxi skirt in black. Okay, I feel like we are definitely in night mode, especially with this one. This is the So Lovely lace micro mini dress set, I think. Came with these tights. It does feel really weird to wear tights. Like very, very interesting vibes. It's just because I'm not used to it. I think it's super cute. I'll show you guys like the full effect. I feel like that's so like baddie, you know? The tights are really cute. I was actually thinking some of the outfits that I'm bringing would look really good with tights, and then Fashion Nova was like, here, have some tights. Cute though. I think I'm gonna bring this one. I feel like it's like serving. Okay, and this last item doesn't really tie into the haul whatsoever. I just thought it was so pretty. This is the Bombshell Hardware maxi dress. Did you guys have reflexes like I did on my cat? So this is what it looks like in the front. It's like a really, really nice material. I don't really know how to describe it. I wish you guys could just feel it. But it's really, really pretty. So we have like double slits on the side, super low back, and then this really, really pretty gold piece that kind of holds the straps. But yeah, I think she is absolutely gorgeous and to die for. Definitely not on this trip. I'd have nowhere that would show her off the way that I want to, but maybe sometime in the future, so. Okay, and that is all that I have to show you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you again to Fashion Nova, I don't know what I'm doing with my arms, for helping me out with this video. I have to go finish packing now, so if you guys want to see all of these outfits in picture form in all of their glory, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Kendra Rowe. Add me on Snapchat, K3_Rowe, and all of my other content is linked down below. Hit the subscribe button if you're still here, and I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.